Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 4 multiplication. You can take out page number 45. Okay, so first of all, we should know what is multiplication. Multiplication is a repeated addition. What is multiplication? It is a repeated addition. So, what does it mean? Repeated addition. Repeated addition means suppose I want to multiply 4 into 2. So, what is the answer? 8. Can this same thing we can do by the help of addition also. What this 4 we will add how many times? 2 times we will add. So 4 plus 4. So what is the answer? 8. You can see same it we got same thing we can also do. This 2 we can add 4 times. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. So answer is 8. Okay, so here you can see we solve this question by the help of repeated addition. So what is multiplication? It is a repeated addition. Understood? Okay, next, the short way of finding sum when all addends are the same is called multiplication. In the case of multiplication, what is there? All the addends are same. All the addends are same. See here, all the addends are same here. All the addends are same here also. All the addends are same. Understood? Okay. Next, here you see, when we multiply any two number, you can see we here I'm multiplying 5 and 2. What is the answer? 10. So this 5 is called factors. 2 is also called factor, and this result is called product. Understood? Sometimes these two are called multiplicands also. Okay, here you can see 5 and 2, these are called multiplicand and multiplier, and our answer is called product. Same like in the addition we are using addend 1, addend 2. In the case of subtraction we have the minuend and subtrahend, and the answer we call difference. So here is, in the case of multiplication we are using multiplicand, multiplier and product. Okay, now this multiplication is possible by the help of number line also. Okay, so this number, by the help of number line also we can do, say 5 into 2. So what does it mean? Means 5 times 2 we will go. So from 0 we started, because 5 and 2 is the positive number, so we start from 0, and which side we will move? Right side. Right side of the 0, all the numbers we will get right side of the 0 on the number line, that is positive number. So here how you will do? 5 for how many time? 2 time. So 2 times 5 will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now where we reached? 10. So what is the answer? 10. So this is this type of solution is called multiplication on the number line. Okay, next, there are some properties of multiplication. There are some properties of multiplication as earlier study, like properties of addition, properties of subtraction. So here is also property of multiplication. So what is the first property? The first property is order property. Okay, what is the order? As I told, that order means you just change the position of the digit. When you multiply two numbers, you simply change the position of multiplicand and multiplier. Multiplicand and multiplier, you change the only position. See here, 4 into 3. So what is the answer? 4 3s, that is, or you can write 3 into 4. What is the answer? 12. In the both case answer is same. In the both case answer is same. Here you can see 4 into 3 equals to 3 into 4. In the both case you will get the 12. So this is called order property. This is called order property. This order property is also called swapping. We are just swapping the numbers. Okay, we just change the position, and it is also called commutative property. Okay, next is our grouping or associative property. Okay, this grouping and associative property is what? Here we are in the, here what we are doing, we are making the group. We are making in the group. So see there, here is 4 2 and 4 are in the group. See here, 2 and 4 are in the one group. and here you see 4 and 3 in the one group because they are kept in the bracket. Okay, but you can see first we will do this operation. So 2 into 4, that is 8, and what is the 3, that is 3 there, and 8 3s are 24. Here you see these two same, and this all they multiplied 4 into 3 12. So what is the answer? 24, and here is also 24. What we did here, we only make the group, and multiply. Okay, this is the property of grouping, or we can say the associative property of multiplication. Next is your property, zero property. So what is zero property? This zero property is that when you multiply any number by 0, you will get the what is 0. So that is the property of 0. Okay, next is the property of 1 in multiplication. When you multiply by 1 any number, you will get the number itself, the same number. Here you see, you multiply by 8 into 1, what you are getting? Same number. 27 into 1, same number. 105 into 1, you are getting the same number. So when you multiply by 1, the answer, the product is the same number, okay, itself. Next is the property, that is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So here is two type of property. Distributive property of multiplication are two types. One is multiplication over addition, and one is also there multiplication over subtraction. That is not this subtraction property you need to study now. In the next class you will study. Today you have to only know distributive property of multiplication over addition, only you have to study. Subtraction you will study in the next class. Okay, I in the higher class, I think 5 and 6 we will study. So this distributive property of addition is what? See here, 5 into 12. See here, this 12 we can write 10 plus 2. This is, here you can see this 12 is divided into this form, 12 is 10 plus 2, and then after this 5 multiply by 10 and this multiply by 2. When I solve here, suppose I have to multiply 5 into 15. Okay, so what I can do, this bigger number 15, can I write 10 plus 5? This is also equals to 5. Yes or no? Yes. So what I will do, in the place of this, what I will write? Here I will write 10 plus 5. Got it? In the place of this 15, I write 10 plus 5. Now next what you will do, next you have to multiply. This 5 will multiply by this, and this 5 will also multiply by this, because this 5 is multiplied by this whole total, this 10 and 5 both. Now one by one we will solve. So you multiply 5 into 10. So 5 into 10, what you will get? 50, and there is what? Plus. So write here plus. Then 5 into 5, 25. So what is the answer? You will add 75. Got it? And here also you can see 15 5 ja 75. So this answer, this type of property is called distributive property over addition. Got it? Okay. Next is your multiply by the multiples of 0. So multiple of 0 is nothing but when you multiply the multiples of 0, simply you count the number of 0 and put there. Simply you see here, you multiply by here by 2 into 10, we multiply by this number by 2, and what is the, how many zeros are there, we place there. So this is the multiplication by the multiples of 0. So we will solve some question, then we will understand better. Here is the exercise 4a. We will solve question from exercise 4a. The first question we have, first question you can see, that is find the product of the following. 7 into 100. You can multiply like this also, into 7. So what will be? 0, 0 and 7, that is the answer, 700. Okay. Next, or you can do simply 7, how many zeros are there in 100? Okay. Here what you do, 18 into 1 you do, 18 1 ja 18, and how many zeros are there? 3 0, place 3 0, 1800. Here you can do 9 into 1, 9, because this 9 and 1 you multiply 9, and how many zeros together? In the 900 there are 2 0, and here is also 2 0. So how many 0 you can write? 2 to 40 you can write. Okay, so likewise you can multiply this. Also you can do, how many zeros are here? 4 zeros are there, so 3, 9, 6 and 40 you can write. Okay, that is your answer. So this is the multiplication for the multiples of 10. Now here question number 2, using order property of multiplication complete each sentence. Okay, so how you will complete? First one is already completed. Next we can do this 9 into 7. As I told that for the order property we can, what we can do, we can swap the number, we can change the order. So this 9 into 7, can we write 7 into 9? Yes, only we change the place or change the position. Here is 27 we can write here, and here I can write 15. Here 309, 309 we can write here, and here write 56. That's all about. This is the property of, this is the order property. This is what? Order property. This only we change the position. Okay, here we just study about this order property. See, this is the order property. What we are doing here? Changing the positions. Okay, we are changing the order only. Next we will do, that is number 3, find the product. Okay, so it is multiplied by 0, obviously yes, answer will be 0. Multiplied by 1, the same number will be 2370. If you multiply by 1, you will get the same number. If you multiply by 0, you will get the 0. Okay, next number 4, are the following sentence true or false, that we have to find out. Question number 4. So question number 4 we will solve here. 2 into 4 into 5 equals to 2 into 4 into 5. You can see 2 into 4 in the one group. Okay, and also 4 into 5 in the one group, and you can see all the digits, all the numbers used in this question are the same. Only only order is changed and they are grouped. Order is changed and they are grouped. So which type of property it is? I told that when it is a group and order is changed, so that type of property is called associative property. Which type of property? Associative. So are the following sentence true? So yes. What is the answer? Yes, and yes, it is true. And which type of property? So you have to write the name. Which type of property it is? Associative property. Which type of property it is? Associative property. You write ASSOCIATIVE, associative property. Okay, and likewise you can check question number B, C, D and all that. So I think all are true, all are true, and all are following the associative property, because they only change the order and they are grouped. Okay, question number 5, you can see what property shown. You can check that this is the distributive property over addition. Which type of property it is? A question number 5, as I just taught now. Here this is distributive property. We are changing the order and we are grouping, and this bigger number we are distributing. This number are distributed. So in question number 5 you can see what is that. Here we are distributing. Here is 10 plus 3 and we are distributed that. So what you have to write for the question number 5? Its answer will be distributive property of multiplication on it was addition, on addition. Okay, so this is the answer. We can see that there is distributive property, but it is on the addition. You can see it is over the addition. Okay, now next question number 6, write the product. You can multiply and write, very easy, because it is the multiples of zeros only. 6 into 9, you multiply first 6 into 9. What will you 6 9s are 54. Okay, and so how many zeros are there? Count in the 6. Here is 1, here is 1. So okay, so likewise here also 12 into 9 you can multiply. Okay, 12 into 9, so what you will get? 12 into 9, multiply and count the 0 and write there. Okay, so likewise you can solve all this. Okay, these are very easy, you can do. Simple table you should know. And for the multiplication, please all of you learn the table from 2 to 20. You should thoroughly learn table, because without table you are not able to solve multiplication and division quickly. So if your table you are good in the table, you can solve questions so fastly and smoothly. Okay, so please, and also your homework to write down the table from 2 to 20 and learn it. Now question number 7 we will solve here. If you walk for 20 kilometers a week, means in a 1 week you are walking 20 kilometer. You have been walking for 90 weeks. So like how many weeks you walked for the 90 weeks? So how many kilometers you have walked together? So we will solve in 1 week. In 1 week, what is the distance we travel? 20 kilometer. Okay, now in 90 week, how much distance we will travel? Of course more. In 1 week if we travel 20, so in 19 we will travel more means multiply. So what we will do? Multiply. So this 20 will be multiplied by 90 and this is your kilometer. Now multiply 2 9s are 18 and how many 0 total? 2 zeros are there. So how many kilometer we will walk? 1800. In the 19 week we will walk 1800 kilometer. Okay, so now question number 8. A set of books costs 3000. Find the cost of 120 such book. Means the set of one book, if you buy one set book you have to pay 3000. And how many sets we buy? 120. So we will solve like this. That is question number 8. One set cost was, that was rupees 3000. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find the 120 sets. Okay, so what is the cost of 120 sets? So what you will do? Rupees you write, and this is the cost of one book, one set, and we have to find the set of 120. It is the cost of one, and we have to find the cost of 120. Of course it will be more. So for that what we will do? Multiply it by how many? Because we have to buy 120. So multiply it. So 12 3s are 36 and count how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 and 4 zeros are there, right? 1 2 3 4. You can place comma also here after 3 and after 3. Here is that 3,60,000. That is your answer. Understood? So your homework to complete this exercise 4A and write down table also 2 to 20. Okay, thank you.